What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, Appalachian Smoke Wagon. Thanks for clicking. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks to everyone that subscribed and commented. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't yet, then hit the subscribe button for me. Leave me a comment. Today, we have the first thing that has been sent out to the channel. And we're going to unbox it and take a look at it. So let's get to that. They reached out to me through email and asked me if I would unbox it and do a review. So I'm going to do an unbox today, and then I'm going to take it out to the range a couple times and come back and make another video and say what I think about it. So it is CVlife tactical vest. See if we can get this thing opened. It's in multicam. Actually looks pretty solid right off the rip. It's got some good shoulder padding that is removable. Some can route your hydration hose or radio cables through these. It's got Molly. Looks like it's got that's definitely not mollied on correctly, but it's got a 3 mag pouch. Let's see. Quick release. So you just pull this and you can release it. It actually has a quick release up here on the shoulder strap as well. So you can get out of it real quickly if need be, which is pretty cool. Let's look at the stitching. Stitching don't look bad. It's actually made in China. But it actually feels pretty solid. It's got a drag handle. It's my dog wanting outside. Give me 1 second. Sorry guys, I had to let my dog out, but really this thing looks pretty solid. It's got the laser cut molly on the side. Pockets in the side of the cummerbund. Came with this patch. It's got some Velcro up there. It's got the breathable mesh on the inside. Now I have a plate carrier that's way more expensive than this one that doesn't have the breathable mesh. So overall, it looks like a pretty good value. You can find them on Amazon. It's CVlife tactical vest. They're at a really reasonable price. It goes through both ways. I like the quick release. It actually looks pretty solid. I'm kind of impressed. Let's open it up here. Got some plates I'll put in it, and I will take it to the range and use it a little bit, and then I will do a review on it. My plates will fit in that. It's got the holder to hold the plate up. It's got pretty good features. It feels solid. Let you guys look at some of the molly. The stitching in it looks okay. Looks pretty good. I'm going to give it a shot. Thanks CVlife for sending this out. If you guys are interested, go to Amazon, CVlife tactical vest. Pick you one up if you're interested. I'm going to get this thing sized up and get it on, and hopefully here soon, get it out to the range and do some shooting with it on. And I'll get back with you and let you know what I think of it after wearing it for a little bit. Oh, it's got the quick release on both sides. So to a quick release, you just pull up on that and you just slide off. That's really cool. My old vest I have does not have that. That's a pretty cool feature. If you need to shed your armor really quick, that's the way to do it. It's pretty intuitive. Slides off real easy. I'm pretty impressed with it. So yeah, I'll give it a thumbs up. And once again, it's CVlife tactical vest. They make some budget-friendly optics and stuff. I have no experience with them, but like I said, they emailed me and wanted to send this out, and I told them, yeah, I'd take a look at it, make an unboxing, and there you have it. So we're gonna put some armor in it, take it to the range, and run some drills with it on, and just see how it fits. I really like this breathable mesh. Like I said, the one I have that I paid a lot more than what this one costs does not have. I really appreciate that, and thanks CVlife for sending this out, and we're gonna give it a try. So far, I'm impressed. If you're interested, you can find them on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and until the next one, Appalachian Smoke Wagon out for now.